Oh my god, is that Lara Croft?
It's so beautiful, isn't it? Good morning. I love this park up, even if it is next to a water treatment plant. Hello. Hey, Ginge. Being nasty, Joe. She's scaring the ginger one. She just went to did a little charge. Trying to teach Ripley to grow up to not be a selfish little kitten who doesn't share her food with those in need. She's a little spoiled baby. She can't be hissing at little cats like that. That just need a bit of food.
Ripley doesn't share food.
Well, she's gonna learn to start doing it.
So the Blue Lagoon is a little peninsula that sticks out from Oludeniz, and it's almost like a natural little bay, and we're just walking on the right hand side of it, which seems to be a bit of a hack because you have to pay to go on the left hand side of it.
So we're just getting our first view now of the Blue Lagoon, but
you know,
still not doing it justice yet. Looks really nice and still though and reflective.
It's places like this where I really wish we had a paddleboard.
Same.
Like how sick would it be if we were going out on the paddleboard?
Same. Yeah, now that we're 3 months in, again we just bought so much of the wrong stuff. One of the things I miss the most is Amazon Prime. We used to order from that daily. Look for the sandbanks up because the tide must come in a bit.
I would love one of those pedals. There's one in the water over there. Should we just go and take it?
I know, it's like a ghost town, like bro's just camping here. So I'm scared of the ocean, and I think a factor of that is that I was stung by a jellyfish when I was younger, but Joe's like, well, remember how when you'd get nettle stings as a kid and you'd think that'd be bad pain, and maybe you're just imagining the pain as being quite heightened, because Joe's read online that apparently jelly stings aren't really even that bad, even from the really bad ones. So long story short, Joe said next time we see a jellyfish she's going to touch one, and we've just saw one. Little guy. Are you touching it with your hand?
I was going to poke the top of it, but I would touch it with my foot and let it sting me. Oh.
Violating this jellyfish?
No.
Does it just feel like...
Feels like jelly.
Jelly.
See the little underneath lines there?
Oh my god, there's a Ripley.
He's a big chunky Ripley.
Hey babe. We're just touching the jellyfish.
So this is what would happen to you in the water, wouldn't it? You'd brush
underneath it, yeah. It's like people say the tentacles. Anything?
No. You ready?
We've just got a little bet on here, cat.
So I can feel like a tiny little tingle. Kind of feels like
nettles.
Static. Just a little, yeah, a little bit, I mean, I'm talking dead mild. I've rubbed something spiky across it.
Yeah.
I'm just aware that where it touched, but it definitely doesn't hurt.
This baby's wrapping around me. How's the jellyfish sting?
Yeah, I can again, maybe you just feel that I've touched it, like irritation, but that is it.
Left its mark on you.
But yeah, it's not bad at all. I reckon if you'd done it in the sea, you wouldn't even notice. If it was on your leg or something.
So the Blue Lagoon not living up to its hype so far. The one we just went in then, there's a really murky corner of the Blue Lagoon where the water seems really shallow and it had a bit of a smell, so We couldn't have come all this way and not wondered about this little section.
So we just paid 50 lire each to come in here by foot. It's 600 if you want to park in here, just till 7 o'clock with a campervan, which is a bit mad, but 50 lire is only like 120 or something, so yeah, we'll go check it out, give the Blue Lagoon its fair evaluation.
Do you know what I think's down here?
What?
A Starbucks.
Really?
Well, I saw on Google Maps.
Ooh, do you reckon they do the beyond brekkie?
No way.
I'm looking forward to seeing it at the end. If there's like, I hope there's a nice little swimming bit by the rocks where we could snorkel and that. Oh, we didn't even bring the snorkels, did we? What are we doing?
I mean, we've bought so much stuff though. I don't know what else we could have bought.
The snorkels. I reckon this is the good snorkeling spot, but yeah, we've got to put in the snorkels.
Maybe there'll be some like on the beach that we could just use.
Go ahead.
How amazing does mine look?
Looks very nice. Definitely the prettiest Starbucks.
I'm like looking at the sea and I'm like, I want to get in there. It looks incredible and it's so much calmer here. There's no waves
Yeah, it's true.
at all. Make get on this, look gorgeous little brown sugar oat milk latte.
So you reckon they're goggles, do you?
I literally manifested those goggles, didn't I?
You did? You said we might find some. Jess absolutely manifested the goggles. When I was getting all sad before that we'd forgot them, Jess was like, oh, we might just find a pair. And we literally did. Ooh, it's cold, isn't it, today?
It's so beautiful, isn't it? I like it, that doesn't have to wave.
It's gonna make it real. Got a little fish jumping about.
Thousands. The shoulders. 3, 2, 1.
It's so funny we're seeing like West people. But Jess is amazing.
Oh, I'm going to take it away from you.
Jess, that was amazing. I'm so proud of you.
That's the next thing now, is like getting me confident looking under there. I feel like I need the nose ring. Who'd have thought it, hey?
Who'd have thought it? Look at us.
Woke up in a country lane, don't know what happened, I don't know how I came to be at the end of my rope with Megalado going up in smoke. When you guys ask, wait, just wash your brain. Hey, you say I drop the ball, things
I feel fresh now though, and we're gonna go continue our exploring of the Muğla region of Turkey.
Yes.
And
Lots of places to see here.
yeah, we've heard there's a little ghost town, so Gonna go check that out. But first, we need some breakfast.
Got an itch, I don't know, but noticing feels right.
Might not look like much, but we've absolutely loved this park up. And it feels so nice to be out in nature, alone again, having a nice corner to ourselves where we can play out with Ripley so much and just let her free roam. But we're going to head up the mountain now to our next place, which looks really exciting. So let's go. Hey babe, we're gonna go up the mountain. If the dreamies don't get her in, then there's another thing we do, which is just starting the engine.
Hey, little start.
She's not emotionally ready for this now. We should have the gradient sign here because it feels well steeper than 15, I think, might be the steepest we've done.
Yeah, and it feels steep like.
Just happened to pass a little outdoor toilet, so can never go past one without emptying the toilet because they're hard to come by in Turkey. So, quick little service stop.
I'm just keeping the engine running because the battery died before when we went to start it, so don't want to have to jump start it again if it's stopping.
Spotted the water tap as well, so do that too.
Oh my god, is that Lara Croft?
Yeah, it is.
Well, that's funny because you're gonna go raid some tombs.
Thank you. Did you know to go do a good brekkie? This is the outskirts of the town. We're not sure if you need to pay to go in or what. Ah, sexy cactuses then.
You know, you'd like it there. Ripley.
No. Maybe we'd never get it back. It's reminded me of like a walled city town because everything's so close.
Yeah. So this looks like it would have been a little chapel, probably. Well, it would be a Greek Orthodox chapel. All the people that were here at the end of the Greco-Turkish War would have been the Greek Orthodox people that were living here, and they all had to leave as part of the treaty that they signed at the end of the war. I think because there'd been so much like bloodshed here during the Ottoman period, the Turkish people that lived here didn't want to actually resettle the town because they thought there was ghosts in it. That's how we've ended up with the Kayakoy ghost town under Russia.
Just so much better coming here out of season as well, so you get it to yourselves. I think the illusion would be ruined if you were here and it was chocker. It's not going to feel like a ghost town then, is it? What you want it to feel like is it's just me and Joe here, and there's been like a zombocalypse and everywhere's overgrown, and that's what it's kind of feeling like right now. Imagine playing COD here. It's made for COD.
Yeah, prime ghost town.
Zombies.
Yeah. Another just gem in Turkey that you can just walk around willy-nilly. No barriers, no none. Go in the houses, go up the staircases. It's cool, man. Definitely worth a visit though. I think the sign said it was €3 each to get in, but there was no one there, so we just came in. Yeah? Whoa! That was like the other thing that you manifested. That's so mad. We've been dying to meet your kind.
Oh my god, look at this little face. Oh my god. I'm sorry, sir.
Oh, he's quite quick.
What have you done, missus?
My god, Jess, come and look at this. Your head's gonna fall off.
Oh my god, why was it a jump scare?
Right, this is the place that just keeps giving. First we see, well, I mean, it's amazing for one. Then we see the turtle, the tortoise. And now we've just seen some goats climbing the walls. Oh, he's such a liability.
This isn't like very accessible friendly if you're not good on your feet like me.
Alright, so we're back now and get on this for a park up. Here is the ancient village. And here's the weather.
Ordered some chicken. You always put the washing on the side, it's in the shade.
It was in the summer we left. Hey baby girl. You have to behave yourself around the chickens, Kay.
She's out.
So we're all back in the van chilling now. Nice happy family. We've had quite a long day, so we're just gonna chill out here, probably spend the night and then get back to exploring tomorrow.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming with us today.
Ripley's had a little play.
It's been a blast.
You had a little play outside, babe, didn't you?
It's been a long day, isn't it?
With 12,000 steps.
Done some swimming, saw that ancient city.
Had a full Turkish village breakfast.
Won't lie, that breakfast wasn't the best. But I am still full, so
Did
there we
work.
go. Yeah, done the job.
Oh, baby. Good morning. I don't know if we told you last night, but we've actually just parked literally at the foot of the ghost town. It's kind of like an abandoned football field, but it was really nice and quiet. And Ripley's just out and about having a little explore now.
Hey, then you caught my baby.
Quick change and let's go.
Let's go, baby.
I'm getting ready and we're going to explore. This place looks sick.
And Ripley's just brought a lizard in to the van.
Wait. Oh, we're never gonna get it out. Why am I trapped in here?
Right, now where are you going?
I'm going.
I need your help.
I don't want to be in this Didn't want to be in the dead end with it.
Just come back in that way. Ripley, you need your help too.
You seen it?
Yeah.
Don't let go behind the electrics.
You just let Ripley out on ocean pass.
Pardon?
You just let Ripley out.
Well, we might need to like coax the lizard out.
It's gone now. So what are we calling our new pet? Larry? I don't know, Mum, I don't know. Lenny? Lenny the lizard? I mean, Ripley, you bought him. He's your pet, really. What do you want to call him? Sun Park up, eh?
Yeah.
Just left Ripley alone with Lenny for a bit. Lenny the lizard.
So we've just walked all the way along the stream and we're right at the bottom of the gorge now. It's called Saklikent Gorge and it's one of the biggest gorges in the world. It's over 300 metres high and goes on for 18 kilometres, which is just insane. It's really similar to the Archean Springs that we visited in Greece, but on a much bigger scale it feels. Oh my god, we drove past this on the way in and I thought I saw it correctly, but it looks like there's like seats overhanging the stream. Oh my god, there is. And there's loads of geese.
Oh no, Jess, this one's too cute. Can we keep him? Oh.
Oh my god, he looks like an old man.
No. He looks like a collie, I don't know. If he just looks like his old mum over there, she's tiny.
Joey's got a human face.
No, do you think that's the mum and that's the dad right there?
The dad's like grumpy, look, he's baring his teeth.
Oh.
Oh my god, you guys, you guys. Oh, he's got biggish paws, he could grow a bit bigger.
He's got the nice, beautiful little face.
This place is incredible.
That's very cool.
This is actually a hidden gem now, isn't it?
I mean, it definitely is in November.
The water is so clear. I feel like they're gonna bite me toes, you know? I'm just in heaven, I'm just in heaven.
It's all going off.
There they are. Car just went past and set all the animals off. It was so funny. I've never really been this close to chickens before, and hens and roosters, and we were just talking about them, and it's like, I don't know, like Joe was saying, only the males are roosters, and then those ones there that are like big and plump will be like little hens. Goodbye, my friend. It's obviously half shut right now, but how gorgeous. That water is flowing. Feels cold.
Why is it feel windy?
Go on then, are you paddling that, yeah, Joe?
Yeah, well, that's what it says on mine, you walk up the river. Well, so it's £2 each. It's £1 each.
Oh, it's good. People have got winter coats on.
Need a little chai to warm me bones. This is unreal though, this is like...
It's so much bigger than the Archean, isn't it?
Yeah, and that other one that we went to in France.
Yeah.
So I think in the summer, you can actually like walk down the river like we did in Archean. But obviously there's been a bit of rain now, so it's like quickly down. And I think the snow, maybe something like the snow. So I was right. Well, I was half right. You walk on that ledge so far, and then for the rest of it, you're meant to like walk up the water. But because we're in November, you're not allowed. Oh mate, there's a bounce in this bridge.
And it looks really well made.
So yeah, that's the trade-off I guess in the winter. Absolutely empty, but you can't go very far in there, maybe like 150 metres or so.
Controversial take, but the canyon's probably better in the high season, so you can actually walk into it, isn't it?
Yeah.
And you could cool down when it's like 30 degrees here. It'd be incredible to swim through that canyon. That restaurant was worth it. That restaurant was beautiful, and the animals and the location, and just never really seen anything like that as well. So
Yeah, the animals made it.
yeah, and
The puppies.
the water here is still unreal. The bit where we're parked as well is just incredible. It
Yeah.
feels like Alaska. It really does.
Yeah, the park up's beautiful. And, you know, we got to meet Lenny the lizard here. Our new friend.
Don't if I sit him on our bed, Joe. See, thing is, now I'm scared to let Ripley back out in case she catches something else.
Anyway, here's Loretta.
What you should have done is literally put your hands around the lizard straight away, not been a little shit house.
Well, she told me to get the GoPro, so I had the GoPro in one hand. Fucking cut. I would have held them with my hands. Hey baby.
Have you caught that lizard? Yes or no?
Lenny has gone.
He's been set free.
Unmolested, thankfully, by Ripley.
Yeah.
Survived his little ordeal. We were just chilling here. I mean, we'll show you the footage, but yeah, he just...
Appeared out the corner of my eye.
Yeah, laser eye Jess just
Spotted something.
spotted him. Oh,
Oh yeah, he's on the edge. He's gone over.
Yeah. Oh, bye little guy. Bye Lenny, love you.
Oh, we can relax.
It's mad that Ripley even caught him.
I know.
And like, he was about this big, so I don't know how she had them all in his mouth.
No,
Must have been like down her throat.
because I saw a tiny bit hanging out.
Ripley, you crazy.
Really deep
But-
throating the lizard.
Don't say that. I'll be careful. Good morning, Ripley. Wow, what a beautiful day it is. What a beautiful park up this really is. We're up early today and doing some editing, and then I think we're going to head down to Kayaköy because it's Sunday today and Jess will have work tomorrow. So go find like a nice little coffee shop while Ripley's distracted down the hill. I'm going to have a walk up to this castle, see what's what. I mean, you really could be anywhere here. Like, this feels to me like just this little section I'm in right now, like the British countryside, but in the best way, if you know what I mean. Like, it feels very like Tolkien-esque, but then you got this amazing river, the beautiful gorge, and just these, you know, amazing olive trees. Like, how big is this? Probably hundreds of years old. Don't know anything about it. It's not mentioned on any of the things on the internet about the place. Have you seen a little bit of disrepair? It's cool though. So yeah, cool castle, beautiful view. Couldn't see our little tower bag Ripley, so I'm gonna go check in on her. Make sure she's not catching any more lizards. Caroline, don't come here. Right there. Hey baby girl. Meow.